If you've been wondering how to access the ElevenLabs AI help agent, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps so you can open the help assistant inside ElevenLabs in just a few seconds. This is useful if you need support, want quick answers, or simply want to get help without searching through menus. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the ElevenLabs website and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see the Ask icon there. This is the button you need to access the AI help agent. Now click the Ask icon once. As soon as you do that, a new window will pop up from the right side of the screen. This is the ElevenLabs Help Agent panel, and it's designed to give you quick assistance without leaving the page you're on. You can use it to ask questions, look for guidance, and get support related to the platform. If the panel doesn't appear right away, just make sure your browser window is fully loaded and that you clicked the correct Ask icon in the top right. Sometimes it takes a second for the side window to slide in, but once it does, you'll have access to the AI help agent instantly. From here, you can type your question into the help panel and continue working inside ElevenLabs while getting answers on the side. That makes it really convenient if you're trying to solve a problem quickly or learn how a feature works. And that's it. You've now learned how to access the ElevenLabs AI help agent by clicking the Ask icon in the top right and opening the right side window. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.